Keeping track of your research is one of the most important and sometimes challenging parts of doing research. Because completing a research project can take days or weeks, it is easy to forget where we have been and what we have found. Here are some tips to keep track of your research. Tip number 1, use OneDrive folders. As a UHD student, you have an Office 365 account with access to OneDrive. OneDrive allows you to store files on a cloud server so you can access them from anywhere. This is incredibly helpful for research. Setting up a folder for each class or research project allows you to easily store and organize your research as you go. To learn how to create files and folders in OneDrive, use the linked video in the description. Now you can keep all the items for your assignment in the same folder. Tip number 2, use the article's saving options. Many databases will allow you to save articles in a variety of ways. Often you can email them, save a link, or download the article. Check to see which options are available for the article you are using. To learn more about uploading files into your OneDrive folders, check out the Upload Photos and Files link in the description. Now, everything is in one place and easy to use. Tip number 3, keep track of that citation. Do not wait until you are finished with your paper to create or copy and paste your citation into your paper. Noting the citation early on will help you remember which articles you've looked at and decide to use for your paper. Just don't forget to check the accuracy and formatting of your citations before you turn in your paper. Need more help with citations? Your friendly librarians are here for you. Contact us on our Ask a Librarian page.